As you are so look here, I have this single tab washing machine. Hii ni MIKA, right? 6 kg in capacity, it's a single tab. Inafanya kuosha peke yake. Just washing in a rinse. Sasa washing and rinsing only, it does not spin. So what it does ni kuosha peke yake, and ukiangalia ndani vizuri inakaa vizuri. It's just everything that you would expect in a single tab washing machine, right? It is going for only 16,500 shillings, and you can get it straight here at Patazone in all our branches, right? So make sure that umetupigia simu, umetutext WhatsApp, so that you can order for you. So you can order from anywhere in the country, and they're going to deliver it, right? Call us on 0111 05 1120. Karibu sana.